In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove name in StreamYard. If you've ever wanted a cleaner, more polished look on your live stream or recording, maybe to match a custom overlay or to keep your guests' identities private, hiding the on-screen display names is quick and easy. I'll walk you through it and explain exactly what to expect. First, open StreamYard Studio. Make sure you're inside the actual studio for the broadcast or recording you're working on, not just the dashboard. You'll know you're in the right place when you can see your camera preview, your guests if they're connected, and the familiar controls and panels around the screen. If you use a smaller display, keep in mind that some panels may be collapsed. That's normal. Next, look to the left side of the screen and click the Style section. This is where StreamYard groups visual settings that affect how your show looks, including themes, fonts, and name displays. The options here are designed to update instantly, so you can safely toggle things on and off and see the result in real time before you go live. Now, scroll within the Style area until you find Display Names. This is the specific control that manages the labels that appear under each video tile. Those labels are what StreamYard calls display names, and they show for you and for any guests who appear on screen. When you see the Display Names toggle, turn it off. You'll notice the switch change state, and right away the labels beneath each participant's video will disappear from the canvas. That's it. The name under your video will disappear. This option hides all participant names on the screen, not just yours, so everyone on the layout will be affected the same way. The change is immediate for both live viewers and recordings. Because the names are now hidden, plan to introduce speakers verbally or rely on your existing on-screen graphics to identify who's talking. This keeps the show clear for your audience without cluttering your layout. If you decide later that you want the names back, simply return to the same Display Names toggle and turn it on again. The labels will reappear instantly. A few quick notes to keep in mind. This setting is visual, so it doesn't remove or change anyone's actual account name, and it won't affect private chat or your internal controls. If you don't see the Style panel or the Display Names option right away, make sure you're in the studio view and expand the left sidebar if it's minimized. That's all you need to remove names in StreamYard and keep your visuals clean and consistent.